Hello, friends. Welcome back to Flavors on My Best of Fun. It's been some time since I posted any recipe on my channel. It's been more than a week. I've been really busy with a lot of things at home and a lot of situation in the country. The country went into full lockdown. And until before then, I was going to work off and on. And so I've been really busy. But coming back to my recipe today, I'll be sharing with you a recipe of pulki, or pakora, or kachori. In some parts of Bihar, it's called as pulki. And usually we have it in combination with bagni. You can see bagni in the picture, which is brinjal fritters. And a Ramadan, an iftar during for a Bihari iftar is usually chana, black chana, and pulki, bagni, with fruit salad and of course dates and ruafza. So this is a very traditional recipe of fulki. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So to make this recipe, I'm taking half a cup of masoor dal and a quarter cup of chana dal. This is chana dal and it's quarter cup. I'm going to soak it in water for around 3 hours. A minimum of 3 hours. In fact, a maximum of 3 hours. This is adequate amount of time. While that's soaking, I'm taking one potato and I'm going to boil this. And I'm adding a bit of a few drops of white vinegar around the cap. The only reason why is to prevent this spot from blackening. So that helps in prevention of the blackening of the pot. Now, after 3 hours, this is how my dals have soaked up, and after draining excessive water, I'm just going to grind it up. You don't need to add any extra water because the dals have actually absorbed enough water, and then you really don't need anything else, any extra water. Now to this, I'm adding around half inch of ginger, and actually you can, if you want, you can double this recipe, but it was just for the five of us in our family, and we didn't need a lot of it. So I'm taking half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric, one clove of garlic, and I'm just going to grind this. And this is how it looks. You see, this paste is not runny, and this is not. Uh, this is just the right consistency. This is how you want it. Because if it's too runny, then it will spread when you're frying it, and that will not be a great taste. Now my potatoes have boiled, and I'm just going to peel it off, and I'm going to mash this potato. I've used a fork, and of course, you can use however you want. But since it's just one potato, it mashes easily with a fork. Just mash it well. Just avoid any lumps. But it really doesn't matter. It can, but it's preferable that you smooth out most of the lumps. And there you go. Just add in your dal, and actually you can make this in large lots and just refrigerate it. Just put it in the fridge, and it'll last. Without the potato, it will last you for at least 2 weeks. But if you're adding potato, then I would suggest that you kind of use it within a week. So what you can do is you can make large batches of it, and then on the day that you're cooking, you can add potato if you want, and you cannot add potato. It's not important. It'll taste even better without the potato. So there I have added my chopped onions to this mixture, and green chilies. And green chilies as per your taste, because if you have children eating at home, you don't want them crying out because of chili. So that's the reason I have taken around two green chilies, and it's up to you how much chili you want to add. It's frying time. Just take enough oil in a wok, and just fry it in batches. And of course, I think you can do it in air fryer as well. I'm not really sure how, because I don't have an air fryer. with me, and I don't know how it fries there, but surely if I'll let you know if I ever get a chance to do this on air fryer. But right now I'm using mm, the traditional way of just frying it, and you have to fry until this becomes golden brown, and beautiful, delicious, airy kinds of pakoras will be. It comes out beautiful and airy. It's really nice. It doesn't feel that really heavy, and this is how I'm just going to. I just wanted to show you because this is my pakoras is ready along with my bagni, like I said, for my traditional Bihari iftar. This is my sprouted salad, the recipe of which is available on my channel if you're interested. And my bagni and my chana. Chana is also there. Kajur, which is traditional. Just showing you around my iftar table. Chana recipe is also on the channel if you want, if you're interested. And wait out for my fruit salad recipe. And this is my roux for the kids. And that's all about it. I hope you will try my recipe. I hope you will try, and you will let me know how this turned out for you. I'm sure that you are making these pulkis, and so do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.